Well, hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to use color pencils. So for the coloring I am using this Vegeta Ultra Instinct drawing. So I take the reference from Dibzame. Is a really big artist, you can check out his channel. Okay, so let's start the drawing with the skin tone. So we're going to color it with the layer by layer. So let's start with the first layer and the lightest layer of the skin tone. So for this I'm not going to apply much pressure in the pencil. So just grab the pencil gently and move around those parts where you have to color it, and make sure to leave splash points. Okay, so for the second layer we're going to apply some more pressure in the pencil. So I am using the light orange to make it more visible. Now I am adding more depth in the drawing. For that I am using brown. So now it's time to color his clothes. So for that I am using the same process that I use for skin. So just cover the whole area with the lightest layer. So for the second layer I am using dark blue and covering the whole remaining part with the real blue. So now I am using white pencil for the blending and for those splash areas.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be.
So for his armor I'm using gray, and make sure to do not apply much pressure right now because we didn't need it.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm
alone. So now I am using sky blue on the gray, because when we blend it together we will get that bluish gray and we need it.
Yeah, let's go.
Now I'm using gray again because we needed some depth area so it will look more good.
I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape.
So I'm going to use the same trick that I used for his skin and his clothes. First I'm going to cover it with the base layer with the lemon yellow. So I am using brown right now because if I use the brown after the second layer it will become messy. So for the second layer we're just going to use yellow. So now I am using black for his scratches. I didn't make them when I was inking because if you do it after the coloring, it will look more visible. As for the hair, I am using the same process as I already told you. First the base layer, then the second layer, and then the little bit more depth, and it's done. Well, depth is already available in this hair, so we're just going to add some second layer. Okay, so now I'm using black to add little bit more depth in his clothes. So now it's time to color the aura and the most irritating part of the drawing because it takes too much time. So I'm not going to tell you how to color the aura. Just watch the video, man, because I don't even know how did I do it.
Down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion
And we are done. So thank you for the watching. If you like the video, press that like button, and if you wanted to watch more videos like this, then what are you doing, man? Just press that red button.